think about the shows we've done together, I realise you probably helped out quite a bit. You deliver more than half the lines, and you get the props right most of the time. And it would be harder to do it all without you. Yeah, you didn't have to fanny about, take the piss out of my script and then bugger them all up, and then finally you up and go. Now you're just some bugger that I used to know. Now and then I think your scripts are almost adequate, except when they're boring, old-fashioned and too long, like tonight. And I don't want to do them that way, so interrupt occasional things you say. I get a laugh and frankly that's the show. No need to treat me like some stupid bugger that you used to know. Do you always have to fanny about, pretend to not understand simple words that I say to you? Well, why do you have to be such a git? You treat me like an idiot that gets on my tits. Come on, can I come back to the show? If you let me, then I'll help you out with the finale. Will you screw it up again? No. Would you welcome back that bugger that I used to know? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back that Okay, you can stop the xylophone. Thank you. Thank you.